Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Malik Nawaz Shuja from Department of Microbiology, Kohat, University of Science and Technology, Kohat. I am with my lecture of General Virology. The code of this subject is MIC 231. This is my lecture number 12, which is on single-stranded RNA viruses, which are negative sense. And negative sense single-stranded RNA basically belong to the group 5 of Baltimore classification. So this lecture will be divided into two portions. In part A, we will cover some aspect, while the rest of aspects will be covered in the lecture number 12 of part B. For our own comfort, we have selected family rhabdoviruses. The well-known example of this family is the rabies virus, which having a single-stranded RNA virus with a negative configuration. So we will study about rabies virus in the present lecture. These are the outline of my today's lecture: introduction to family Rhabdoviridae. Then we will study about the rabies virus, which is the prototype of family Rhabdoviridae. Then we will also study about the genomic architecture. A genome consists of some genes, and we will study about the function of all these genes in detail. We will also put some light on the pathogenesis of rabies virus, and this pathogenesis will be studied at its risk level, and then we will also study about the 5 general stages of its pathogenesis, and in the last we will cover the life cycle of rabies virus in detail. So all these steps will be covered in today's lecture. Family Rhabdoviridae is the viruses family which infecting the mammals and human beings, and both serve as a natural host for this virus. Basically, these viruses are spread through the animal bite. These viruses are present in the saliva of dogs, and cats, jackal, and some mammals like bats, which serve as a natural reservoir for the rabies virus. If you want to know about the nature of this virus, so the virus in this family are usually single-stranded RNA virus with a negative sense, which is non-segmented virus, means RNA or the genomic material are present in a single molecule, and they are enveloped virus, which are present in the bullet shape. The best example of this family is the rabies virus. So rabies virus is also known as a rabies Lassa virus, which produce the rabies in human beings and mammals. So the viral infection that mainly spread through the bite from an infected animal. So rabies is an RNA virus which belong to the family Rhabdovirus family. If a rabid dog bite a person and the treatment is avoided, so the infection may be highly fatal. This virus can infect the bird in one of two ways. It enters the peripheral nervous system, directly and migrate to the brain. So the main target of this virus is the brain, where it controls the nervous system. So this virus is highly fatal viral disease of central nervous system, and they are transmitted to men by bite of rabid dogs, cats, maybe jackal, and licks of rabid dogs. So the virus are present in their legs. If you want to know about the genomic architecture of rabies virus, so the rabies virus are enveloped viruses and they have a single-stranded RNA genome with a negative sense which belong to the group 5 of Baltimore classification. The genomic size of this virus is 11,615 to 11,966 nucleotide in length. This genomic RNA is encoded for 5 proteins or for 5 different open reading frames, and these open reading frames are nucleoproteins, phosphoproteins, matrix protein, glycoprotein, and the viral RNA polymerases. So the genetic information of this virus is highly packed as a ribonucleoprotein complex in which RNA is tightly bound by the viral nucleoprotein. This slide presents the genomic architecture of rabies virus, which encode for the 5 different proteins include nucleoproteins, phosphoproteins, which is associated with the ribonucleoprotein core, matrix protein, the central protein of rhabdovirus assembly. So this is the matrix protein. Glycoproteins form 400 trimeric spikes. So this is the glycoprotein, and these are trimeric spikes. So each rabies virus consists of 400 trimeric spikes, and these spikes play a vital role in the attachment to their host receptors. So the receptor of this virus is GP120 as well as GP41. They help in attachment to the host cells. And here is a polymerase which transcribes genomic strand of rabies virus. So this slide summarizes the all genes with their molecular weight as well as the function of each protein. For example, this is the nucleoprotein which molecular size is 224,000, and the function of this gene is the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. Similarly, the glycoprotein, so here these are shown as the glycoprotein which have a trimeric spikes, and the size is 64 to 68,000, and these glycoproteins or surface proteins serve as an antigen. These are the nucleocapsid proteins. The size is 55,000 Dalton, and it is responsible for the RNA binding proteins. And similarly, the matrix proteins, so which is a membrane and matrix protein, and the molecular size is 25,000 to 26,000. And in the last one is the lipid bilayer. If you want to know about the pathogenesis of rabies virus. So the pathogenesis can be categorized into to at its risk levels. In category 1, the light risk level, which includes touching or feeding animals bite, skin is intact, while moderate risk or the category 2 includes the minor scratches without bleeding from the contact or licks on broken skin. In the last stage, which is known as the high-level risk or category 3, which includes one or more bite scratches, licks on broken skin, or other contact that breaks the skin. So these are the three categories of pathogenesis of rabies virus. If we want to know the different stages of its pathogenesis, so there are 5 different stages of this virus, which include incubation. So the incubation period, it starts from the bite of the animal, and it takes 1 to 3 months or maybe up to 2 years have been reported in some documents. And the next category is the prodromal symptoms. Prodromal symptoms means in medical sciences the appearance of first symptoms of specific virus, because every virus has its own symptoms. On the basis of we can differentiate one virus from other virus on the basis of its symptoms. So prodromal symptoms develop, it maybe takes 1 to 10 days, maybe 12 days. Prodromal symptoms followed by the some symptoms are severe symptoms like acute neurological phase. Some neurological deficiencies or stages are developed, and from this stage a patient is entered into the coma. And the last is the death or rare recovery stage. Once the patient is entered into the stage of coma, at this stage the treatment become impossible or insufficient, and the patient is moving to the stage of death where there is no recovery. All these stages have been presented in this graph, such as virus at entry site. So incubation period basically depend on the site of bite. For example, it takes less time when the rapid dogs bite near to the brain. More space takes more time, and they are transmitted through axonal transport. So the incubation period of a patient may be 5 days to less than 2 years, maybe 3 months, maybe 2 months, maybe 5 months or 6 months. After incubation is the prodromal stage, in which the symptoms start appearing. It may be 0 to 10 days, and then the matter become more serious, in which the acute neurologic symptoms appear. So the nervous system is disturbing, and it may be 2 to 7 days. This indicate maybe less than 10 days. So these neurological symptoms start appearing, followed by the coma, which may be 5 to 14 days. And the last stage is the death of the patient or maybe dog. This slide represents the life cycle of rabies virus. For example, at the rapid dog in which the saliva is contaminated having the virus bite the person, so the virus enter into the body of patient person, and where it start its replication in the muscles. From this stage, the virus bind to the specific receptors known as the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors, which are present at the neuromuscular junctions. Here, these are the from this stage, the virus travel with exon in the peripheral nerves through axonal transport. From stage 4, the virus enter into the next stage where its replication take place in the motor neuron of spinal cord and ganglia travel to the brain. So the target of this virus is the bite from the site, final enter into the brain. So infection of brain neurons leading to a fatal inflammation. And in the last stage, virus enter into the salivary glands and other organ of the victim. So this diagram summarize how the virus travel from the site of its bite to the brain and passing from different stages during this phenomena. So this is all about the rabies virus, which is a single-stranded, bullet-shaped, non-segmented virus, belong to the family Rhabdoviruses family. And thank you all.